What is going on, guys? My name is Productions-CSP, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? I tried to do this a long time ago, and it never worked. So now, I'm back to try it again. So, let's do this. You are able to view any event in history, but every time you come back, you wake up from a 1-year coma. Really? That's my dilemma? It's not even good. No, 44%, Jesus. You get to live in your favorite video game universe, being whatever type of character of your making. You stay as a side character, and you will be completely irrelevant to the main characters. Technically, everyone in Undertale is a side character. So sure. I will try to do some Undertale stuff. No, thank you. 80%, dang. You can solve all world issues, no disease, poverty, war, etc., and humanity advances by thousands of years. You will live in poverty. You are infected with every disease and are loathed by everyone. I smell Donald Trump. Just kidding. Donald Trump will never fix any of our problems. Ads. No, not the ads. Anything but the ads. Yeah, sorry. You get the most beautiful voice on earth, but you become deaf. So, I basically become a good singer. Beethoven? Nah, I like my hearing. I need to hear myself sing. Make Hitler become never born. Whole Germany died. The downside is you commit genocide, which is what Hitler did. So yeah, technically you'd be Hitler. Ooh, 32% of people. The heck? Half-Life 3 is released and is the best game ever, but you can never play, hear, or know anything about it. You only know it is amazing, and you can't have it. That first comment. Calm down, Satan. No. I'd have to play Half-Life 3 if it ever... Yeah, that's a thing. You get John Bonham skills on the drums, but you will acquire a permanent beard regardless of your... I'm gonna say gender. That's supposed to say gender, not genre. I don't know. 50-50. Didn't push that. You get to fly, but you can never leave your house. Okay. No. You become a successful billionaire, but requires constant hard work and no free time at all. Fry's Mirage says, I'm Batman. %33% of people hit that. Good lord. You can eat anything you want, and it will taste like your favorite food, but it is the flavor that is altered, not the object. So, I could eat a pile of crap, and it tastes like Mexican food. That's a very bad example. I could eat a tomato, and it tastes like Mexican food. Okay. I'm pushing that. 66%. I agree. I like that one. Oh, what? Nexus. So if anybody wanted that phone... Weed becomes legal, but it is cancerous. No. Not pressing that. You will be able to convert oxygen and carbon dioxide to CO2. You will be able to convert oxygen and carbon to CO2, but you will slowly die by it. Yeah, we already do this naturally. I agree with Carl Joseph Bielorukki. I just pronounced your name entirely wrong if you're watching this. I'm very sorry. You will be able to live as your favorite character for an entire week. For half of that week, you will be able to have You will have to live the worst moments in that character's life. Leah Buskus, the doctor, sobs hysterically. Yes! People who get me! It's Hoovian legal. Sure. The heck. I have to relive the doctor's saddest moments. Oh god. You can date any video game character you want, but everyone else in the video game will hate you. I see no downside. You have very many friends and people who love you, but you are eternally depressed with no way of fixing that. Cameron Wolf, that is sad. That you already are that way. I have very many friends and people who love me, and I'm not eternally depressed, so I don't need to press that. You can turn invisible and back again at will, but you will die on your 60th birthday, provided you make it that far. I don't think I will press that button. I don't like that. You gain any superpower you want, but using it causes greater pain every time you do so. And the loophole that person said in the first comment aside, I still wouldn't do it. Oh god, more Mobile Strike ads. You could see inside everything, but you'd be socially alone. That would be a stalker. I agree with this person. No. Your favorite sports team becomes the best in the world at their sport, but your team becomes hated by all other teams and you will be called a bandwagoner. Sports suck anyway. No offense to sports fans out there, but sports suck anyway. Video games are better. You have every skill known to man, but you can only use the skills when nobody is watching. Wait a minute. This would apply for gaming YouTubers. Because quite technically, nobody's watching you when you're playing the game, but they will when you post the video. So yeah, I'll push that. The Mobile Strike ads. Why Mobile Strike? You get free tickets to your favorite sports team for life, but you have to sit with the opposition's fans. Joke's on you, I hate sports. Yeah. Oh, look it! It's got a little Sans gamer picture. That's cool. Ponytail Sans. Why so many Sans, dude? No. You will become a god of your own universe, and you can do whatever you want and design it however you want, but you have to burn it in lava before you can become this god. Oh, you have to burn in lava, now you have to burn it. The suffering is worth the power. Good lord, Jocelyn Holmesley, what are you doing? The Doctor Who universe shall rise. I burn in lava, but I become a god. Think about this. You live your fantasy life, but you die and become someone else, forgetting who you were and everyone you knew. So I basically would become the Doctor, and I'd forget everything I was as a human. So I would basically be the Doctor from the family of blood. That works. I could just access my memories from the TARDIS. Okay. No. You can ride a motorcycle, but can never drive a car again. I can't do either. You become the smartest person in the world, but nobody will listen to what you have to say until long after you've died. So, I'm Van Gogh. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Nobody listens to me anyway. Crack. Why all the mobile strikes? I mean, good lord. You can teleport, but you spawn 10 feet off the ground. I will choose to teleport 10 feet inside the ground, therefore I will spawn on the ground. Ooh, that's clever. I like that. Thank you. I'm not even going to try to pronounce your name because you're going to get offended. You could... Nope. You can eat your favorite food whenever you want. 3 people you love can only eat cereal for the rest of their lives. I choose life. You have the power to grant any wishes you choose, including your own, forever. Granting any wish results in the immediate death of one person within 2 miles of you every time. Line up all of my enemies in the middle of nowhere. In a pile. That is 2 miles away from me. In a cage. Then wish to become the doctor. Then, as soon as all my enemies are dead, I can wish to not have this power. Yeah. Anybody who gets that button. This is the problem with playing on Phone Edition. You get more ads. You have the ability to change into any object or person, but you will never be able to change back to yourself. So gain the power. Rubians! Okay. I do it. I was about to say I ship it, but no. You can live forever, but you would have to watch everyone you know and love grow old and slowly die. Everybody just take some time to read the first comment and appreciate that. Not the first comment of the video, first comment of this button by Dylan. By Dylan. I'm not gonna try to pronounce your last name. Yeah. Let's go. Immortality is not living forever. It's not what it feels like. Immortality is everybody else dying. You can create or destroy anything, but by creating something you slowly gain sanity. Read the following. And destroying slowly drains your sanity to the point of destroying everything. That I see no downside. Because I have no sanity as it is. So when I create something, such as the TARDIS, that is so big that I gain all my sanity back, you'll get wings and become a princess. But you can never see you friends again because royal duties. I agree with Nicholas Ham. I'm pretty sure this was posted by a 7-year-old girl. Oh, I know what this is a reference to. Comment down below if you know what this buzzer is a reference to. And I'm a dude, so no thanks. The Walking Dead. The app. You can any food and make it taste like anything you want, and any drink you consume tastes like the worst thing ever imaginable. Kelly Campbell. You can even English if you like. Yeah, English, do you speak it? You will receive $5 million every year until the day you die, but you need to spend 10 years in prison before you receive your first $5 million. No. You can be an airbender, but you will be the only one in the world, and your race depends on you to survive and bring balance to the world. So the whole plot of Avatar: The Last Airbender. I'd do it. I don't care if I'm the only one, I'd do it. You get into the world of any video game for 1 day, but you're forced to enter a random terrible video game the day after. It technically doesn't say you don't inherit the powers from the first game. So, I could technically take a TARDIS out of the computer version of a Doctor Who video game, or just take it out of Gary's mod, and then I could take it into another game and just get out of that game into my other game. Loopholes. That was good. That had to make me think. You get to be the person you always wanted to be with your dream job and partner, but your whole family refuses to speak to you for the rest of your life. I like my family, thanks. You are Gordon Freeman. No. Already. I didn't even read the catch. You have your dream house and you're rich, but your house is haunted by a demon that won't go away and follows you wherever you go. I will call her Chara. Somebody grab the knife. You have the perfect body. Like I already didn't, but you have to drink blood to make it that way. No. You can change yourself to whatever you want, but you can only do it once. Time Lord! So this is just spamming the same sentence over and over. Longest comment in existence, followed by some very rude slurs. But yeah, Time Lord. I agree with Noah Marble. I can turn myself in here. No. I don't need that. Thanks. You are the best at every sport you play, but the opposite sex will never love you. Okay, so goodbye. Everyone in the world would understand grammar, but this website would cease to exist due to the overwhelmingly stupid questions. I don't want to push it, but I do. Why am I pushing it? Sure. I want people to understand grammar. You become instantly the most attractive person of your gender. It's only when you put on a pair of Crocs. So, I would basically become what everyone is saying is Channing Tatum, wearing Crocs. So I would be Channing Tatum as Deadpool. If you haven't seen the movie Deadpool, you really need to. It's amazing. Every single time. You can have infinite milkshakes at any time. You can only have vanilla flavor, and there are big bits of ice in it. Oh my gosh. No thanks. You can eat any of your favorite 3 foods for the rest of your life without gaining weight. Any other food will kill you instantly. Mexican food. I see no downside. You get $1 million, but a random person will die, and there's a 20% chance it'll be you. Only 20%. I'm a gambling kind of person. Oh, God. More World of Tanks. So much World. You have the ability to change your appearance whenever you please, but you will lose the ability to speak. So I'm basically a mute Zygon. Okay. That works for me. You have the power to teleport, but you accidentally the world. What are you... Why? Why the grammar? The grammar is real. I don't know what accidentally the world means, but no thanks. I don't know what that said. You become the superhero of your choice, and your friends join your super team, but all of your enemies and their friends become supervillains and form a team to destroy you. So I'm basically the doctor with a bunch of random people, and then a lot of people are the master, and a lot of different Daleks. I'm okay with that. I could just kill all of them. You have the ability to jump from one body to the other, taking another person's life in your hands, but you can't jump back to bodies you have been in before. I'd do it. You would always have the fastest internet, but you would never be able to stream or pirate anything copyrighted. Yeah, no, I can't do that. This YouTube account keeps me out of boredom. The right is outlawed in America forever, but every pro-lifer has to adopt the children they forced others to save. I'm neither a pro-lifer nor an abortionist. I personally don't care. So, I would not care if I pushed this or not. You save the world and make it a better place, but you go down in history as a bad person. So I'm the 50% opposite of Hitler. I'd go down in history as a bad person anyway. You can download every visual thought to your computer. This includes dreams, imagination, and drunken experiences that you may have forgotten. Life as you know it is now in black and white, though you and others can view the recordings in color. Sure. Oh God, why? You get to travel around the world anywhere you want, but every time you leave the country, you cannot return to that same country ever again, even if you paid. So basically, travel around the world, then go right back to America. No. You know everything in the universe, but have no one to share it with. British fandoms because why in John's Jumper's not? I'm pushing it.
Hey, you, Mobile Strike. Yes, the world-class game. Grab the bull by the horns and down.
Let's not be the hottest person in the world. Oh. Yes. But only be able to pick up the ugliest people ever. Oh no. You get the answer to one question, you will forget the answer in an hour and are never able to find it again. Paper and pens are lovely creations. Agreed. You instantly become the most ridiculously beautiful, handsome person anybody's ever seen. But you have a terrible personality. People dislike, hate you for conversations. I am beautiful, whatever this button says. You meet the person of your dreams and have a perfect wedding. They die 5 years after. No! No! That's sad! You will be infinitely intelligent and understand everything, but you live without material possessions, internet, etc. You only have basic needs. So I'm Bear Grylls plus Stephen Hawking times infinity. Yeah, okay. Press the button and gain the ability to hop through fictions and control your character. How strong and effective you are in reality. But you can only leave after a season's worth of time. So basically every 3 months. Worth it. I'd live in Doctor Who forever. Within all technicality, the Doctor Who is actually set in the real world, just with sci-fi stuff happening. You can time, but only to the age of the dinosaurs. I'm not pushing that. You can freeze time for 30 seconds at a time, whenever you want. You won't age while in this state. But to reactivate the freeze, you have to snap your finger on the exact nanosecond it runs out. If you don't! Thank you, Jake Ho. And if you don't... What? That is a good dilemma. Firefly will be brought back, but BBC Sherlock will be cancelled. Nikki Gibson, no contest, bring back Firefly. Screw you, Nikki Gibson. Sherlock is amazing. Raime Hitachin aggressively slams the I will not button. The stupidity that this is even a dilemma that somebody would come up fills you with determination. Oh crap! I pushed the button! I've not even seen Firefly. Always that the main actor of Castle played the main character in it. You become rich and powerful, and every month you have to kill a person with your hands. This increases by 1 person for every month afterwards. So what do you guys think? You become extremely rich and powerful, but every month you have to kill a person with your hands. This increases by 1 person for every month afterwards. My name is Dalton CSP, as seen in the top right corner of this app. Signing off.